Hello, my name is Jimmy Dendrinos. I'm the founder of NFT Concerts. I wanted to give you a quick tutorial on how to upload and create an NFT concert. If you've been approved for an artist account, you'll be able to access the uploader in this menu. If you would like to get approved for an artist account, be sure to fill out our application down here in the footer below. Because I've already been approved for an artist account, I'm able to access the uploader. The most important thing when creating an NFT concert is to follow the rules. Our requirements are very simple. We require a full performance recording. This can be a studio or live concert recording. We require an original thumbnail with a 1:1 aspect ratio and an accurate and complete set list. All of this must be a 100% original content you own. Do not cover other artists' songs, record without permission from the venue, or violate any existing contracts when creating an NFT concert. To get started, upload your concert recording. This can be an audio or video format. We would recommend video, but we'll take what you got. I'll use this sample clip. Once selected, you'll automatically be redirected to this page. Here, you can upload your thumbnail image. We'll use this test thumbnail. Once the thumbnail is uploaded, it will automatically show up right here in this box. You can provide a concert name, the artist, the performance date and set time, the venue, and the location. And the most importantly, the recording type. Single cam video, multicam video, or audio only. Here, you're going to put in your token supply and pricing. This is the number of NFTs that will unlock access to this performance. We'll do 100. Next, you'll do the price per NFT. This is in Ethereum, but we provide the price in US dollars right below. And here, you can set a secondary sale fee. Please keep in mind that secondary sale fees are not enforceable and are paid out depending on the marketplace. This table here showcases your price per NFT, the fee, the artist payout per mint, and if you sell out completely, your maximum payout. On the next page, you can upload a promotional clip that will be displayed on your listing page. Please keep this to 60 seconds maximum. Provide a description, please. And you can also provide a tour name and the live attendance if you would like. Most importantly, we need the set list. This needs to be accurate and complete so we can comply with music rights. And we'll put in the live attendance. And here you're going to be able to schedule your NFT concert release date and time. Be sure to schedule this far enough in the future that you have time to promote this release to your fans. So we'll schedule this out. And I would recommend everybody keep this next box checked. This allows the members of our community to get a 6-hour head start. There's only 5,000 of them. So this is going to get you some early sales and really help support the platform. And finally, here's your compliance. All content uploaded is original. Venue granted permission to record the show. I will not release this recording on another platform, YouTube, SoundCloud, etc. We want all concerts on NFT Concerts to be exclusive to the platform. In order to see that recording, you have to buy the NFT. This really adds value to the token holders, so we want this content to be exclusive. And then finally, you agree to the NFT Concert's terms of service, which basically says all of this in a nice legal document. And review and confirm. And here is your listing contract. This is all the information you just inputted, as well as provides access to the recording for review and that token image. All these token images are reviewed manually prior to mint. And here you can confirm your listing. And boom, listing submitted, you're done. If you're an artist who's submitted an NFT concert, you'll be able to see your listings in your account page. Please allow 24 to 48 hours for review. NFT Concerts covers all gas fees associated with creating an NFT concert, so it is a completely free experience to upload and create an NFT concert on the Ethereum mainnet. If you would like to get approved for an artist account, be sure to fill out that artist application. If you need any help creating an NFT concert, feel free to contact us at info@nftconcerts.com. Thank you.